You are going to love the 2023 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.